Are you ready to elevate your pool game? Whether you're a casual player or an aspiring professional, the right cue stick can make all the difference. But with so many options on the market, how do you choose the best one? Should you go for affordability, durability, or cutting-edge technology? In today's video, we're diving into the 7 best billiard pool cues you can buy right now. Stick around until the end because our number 1 pick is a game changer that every serious player should know about. Number 7. GSE Games and Sports Expert Billiard Pool Cue Sticks. The GSE Games and Sports Expert Billiard Pool Cue Sticks stand out as an affordable option for casual players or those just starting their billiards journey. Made from a fiberglass and graphite composite, this cue is highly durable and resistant to warping, making it a practical choice for environments with fluctuating humidity or temperature. The high-gloss paint finish not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also adds an extra layer of protection against wear and tear. Available in multiple colors and weights, ranging from 18 to 21 ounces, it allows players to customize their experience based on personal preference. During testing, the GSE cue proved to be lightweight and easy to handle, with a smooth shaft that facilitates a consistent stroke. Its multi-layer leather tip and quality fiber ferrule contribute to reasonable accuracy, making it suitable for basic gameplay. However, the flexibility of the fiberglass shaft became evident during power shots, leading to inconsistent performance when applying spin or aiming for precision. Additionally, the balance point leans toward the rear of the cue, which may feel awkward for players accustomed to a more evenly distributed weight. Another drawback is the variability in quality control. Some users have reported issues with straightness, as the shaft can exhibit noticeable wobble when rolled on a flat surface. This inconsistency could affect gameplay, especially for those aiming to improve their skills. Despite these flaws, the GSE cue offers good value for its price, especially considering its durability and customization options. It's a solid choice for beginners, but may fall short for more advanced players seeking precision and control. Number 6. AB Earth 58-inch Pool Cue. The AB Earth 58-inch Pool Cue is a stylish and ergonomic option designed for casual players transitioning from house cues to their first personal stick. Crafted from Canadian maple wood, this 2-piece cue features a handmade painted butt with trendy colors that make it visually appealing. The faux leather wrap provides a skid-proof grip, ensuring comfort during extended play sessions. With weights ranging from 19 to 21 ounces and a standard length of 58 inches, it caters to various player preferences. In our tests, the AB Earth cue delivered dependable shot-making capabilities thanks to its sturdy maple shaft and 13mm leather tip. The stainless steel joint system ensures a secure connection between the two pieces, adding stability during gameplay. However, like many wooden cues in its price range, it is prone to warping over time if not properly maintained. This issue can be mitigated by storing the cue in a temperature-controlled environment and using a protective case. Another minor drawback is its contoured grip design, which might not suit players with larger hands. While the ergonomic shape is intended to enhance comfort, some users found it less accommodating compared to traditional straight grips. Additionally, as this is a mass-produced product, occasional inconsistencies in craftsmanship, such as uneven paint finishes or slight imperfections, have been reported by customers. Despite these shortcomings, the AB Earth cue offers excellent value at under $60. It's particularly well-suited for beginners or casual players who want an affordable yet reliable option without sacrificing style. The inclusion of accessories like gloves and chalk in some packages further enhances its appeal as an entry-level choice. Number 5. Dysdensa Fiberglass Graphite Composite Billiard Pool Cue Sticks. The Dysdensa Fiberglass Graphite Composite Pool Cue takes things up a notch with its innovative construction and versatile performance. Built with 15 layers of high-strength fiberglass composite material, this cue is designed for durability and resistance to deflection. The matte grip technology ensures an anti-slip surface that remains comfortable even during long games. With weights ranging from 18 to 21 ounces and a standard length of 58 inches, it's suitable for players seeking reliability without breaking the bank. During testing, the Dysdensa cue stood out for its precise shot-making capabilities, thanks to its multi-layer leather tip and stainless steel joint system. The tip provides excellent energy transfer while maintaining control over spin shots, making it versatile enough for both casual play and competitive settings. Its two-piece design also makes transportation and storage convenient, a feature appreciated by traveling players. One area where this cue excels is durability. The fiberglass composite construction resists warping far better than traditional wooden cues, ensuring longevity even with frequent use. However, while it performs well overall, advanced players may find that it lacks some of the finesse offered by higher-end low-deflection cues. The slightly rigid feel of the shaft can make delicate shots more challenging compared to premium options. The Dysdensa cue's sleek, matte black finish adds an elegant touch that appeals to modern tastes. Its versatility extends beyond regular gameplay. It can even double as a break cue due to its robust build. For intermediate players looking for an affordable yet high-performing option, this cue strikes an excellent balance between quality and cost. Number 4. AKLOT Pool Cues. The AKLOT pool cues are a standout option for players seeking a balance between affordability and professional-grade performance. Made from high-quality Canadian maple wood, these cues are designed for durability and consistent play. The set offers a variety of weights, 18, 19, 20, and 21 ounces, allowing players to experiment with different cue weights to find their ideal match. Each cue is finished with a 13mm tip, which provides a good combination of control and power for various shot types. During our testing, the AKLOT cues impressed us with their smooth stroke feel and reliability. The maple wood construction ensures excellent feedback on shots, allowing players to better gauge their power and accuracy. The cues are also coated with an attractive black metal nano baking paint finish, which not only enhances their aesthetic appeal, but also protects the wood from cracking or chipping over time. One of the most notable features of the AKLOT cues is their versatility. They cater to both casual players and those looking to refine their skills for competitive play. The set of 4 cues makes it an excellent choice for families or pool halls that need multiple sticks at an affordable price. However, while the cues perform well overall, they lack advanced low-deflection technology found in higher-end models. This means players may need to adjust their aim slightly when applying spin. Another minor drawback is that the set includes random weights, rather than allowing buyers to select specific ones. While this might not be an issue for casual use, more serious players may prefer the ability to customize their selection. Despite these limitations, the AKLOT pool cues deliver exceptional value for their price and are perfect for anyone looking to upgrade from house cues without overspending. Number 3. CRICAL Carbon Fiber Pool Cue. The CRICAL Carbon Fiber Pool Cue is a game-changer for intermediate and advanced players seeking high performance at a reasonable price point. Made from aerospace-grade carbon fiber, this cue offers remarkable strength and stiffness while maintaining a lightweight feel. Its 12.4mm multi-layer pigskin tip ensures excellent energy transfer and chalk adhesion, making it ideal for precise shots and spin control. In our tests, the CRICAL cue delivered exceptional consistency across various shot types. The low-deflection shaft minimizes cue ball squirt, allowing players to maintain accuracy even when applying heavy spin. The stainless steel 3/8 pine 8 joint provides a secure connection between the shaft and butt, ensuring stability during gameplay. Additionally, the cue's weight can be adjusted using an extension system, giving players more control over their setup. What sets the CRICAL apart is its elegant design. Featuring traditional Chinese auspicious cloud patterns on its leather grip, this cue combines functionality with artistry. It's a visually striking piece that stands out in any pool hall. However, while its performance rivals more expensive models, some players may find the grip texture less comfortable compared to other carbon fiber cues with smoother finishes. Overall, the CRICAL Carbon Fiber Pool Cue is an excellent choice for those looking to step up their game without breaking the bank. Its combination of cutting-edge materials, precise engineering, and unique design make it a worthy contender in any pool player's arsenal. Number 2. CUEELF Pool Cue Stick. The CUEELF Pool Cue Stick strikes a perfect balance between style, precision, and performance. Crafted from 100% Canadian maple wood with an overlaid decal butt and Irish linen wrap handle, this cue exudes elegance while offering superior control during gameplay. Its 13mm 6-layered medium tip paired with a phenolic ferrule enhances energy transfer for powerful yet accurate shots. During our testing sessions, we found that the CUEELF cue excels in both spin control and straight shots. The phenolic ferrule provides additional stability at the tip, making it easier to execute finesse shots without sacrificing power. The two-piece design features a stainless steel joint system that ensures a tight fit while allowing for easy transportation. One of the standout features of this cue is its versatility in weight options, 19.5-21 ounces, enabling players to tailor it to their preferences. Its smooth stroke feel and consistent performance make it suitable for both casual games and competitive matches. However, its slightly higher price point might deter beginners or those on a tight budget. Despite this minor drawback, the CUEELF Pool Cue Stick offers exceptional value for intermediate and advanced players who prioritize accuracy and style in their equipment. Its professional-grade craftsmanship ensures long-lasting performance that justifies its cost. Number 1. KONLLEN Carbon Fiber Pool Cue Stick. Taking the top spot on our list is the KONLLEN Carbon Fiber Pool Cue Stick, a premium option designed for serious players who demand nothing but the best in performance and durability. Featuring an aerospace-grade carbon fiber shaft, this cue delivers unparalleled precision with minimal deflection, perfect for executing high-spin shots with pinpoint accuracy. In our tests, everything about this cue screamed excellence. The low-deflection shaft ensures consistent performance across all shot types while resisting warping or bending over time, a common issue with wooden cues. Its sleek ebony butt is adorned with abalone shell inlays that add a touch of luxury without compromising functionality. The KONLLEN cue also boasts impressive customization options. Players can adjust its weight using an integrated system or extend its length with optional extensions, features rarely found in other models at this level of craftsmanship. Additionally, its non-porous carbon fiber construction requires minimal maintenance while remaining resistant to dings and scratches. While it comes at a premium price point compared to other options on this list, the KONLLEN Carbon Fiber Pool Cue Stick justifies every penny with its unmatched quality and performance. For professionals or serious enthusiasts looking to elevate their game to new heights, this cue is simply unbeatable. With these 4 incredible options rounding out our list of top billiard pool cues, there's something here for every type of player, from casual beginners to seasoned pros. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Conclusion. So there you have it, the 7 best billiard pool cues ranked from good to exceptional. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your gear for competitive play, there's something here for everyone. Which one will you choose? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews like this.